If you want to know what exactly are the benefits of having permanent residency of Canada, this video is for you. Stay tuned. Hey guys, this is Shitanshu from Dream Abroad. What's coming up is a list of 10 benefits that you would have as a permanent resident of Canada. So without wasting any more time, let's kick off this list with the first one. Freedom to live, study or work anywhere in Canada. Canada is divided into 10 provinces, and if having a federal invite, you would have the right to live, study or work for any organization in any of those 10 provinces within the country. The second benefit, which is a major reason why people immigrate to Canada, is that as a permanent resident, you can enjoy most of the social benefits that Canadian citizens receive, like free medical facilities and free education for children. Yes, you heard that absolutely right. Canadian medical care facilities are truly world class, and the beauty is that the Government of Canada offers it for free. It covers almost everything from doctor consultation to cost for complex surgeries, prescription drugs, eyeglasses, and dental care being the exception. Similarly, the government has made the education absolutely free in Canada. Forget donation, like in almost every school in India nowadays. You won't even need to pay for your children's school fee up till 12th grade. And when I say free, it means not only the tuition fee, but the books, transport, and even free meals in a few schools. Too good to believe, isn't it? Moving on to the third benefit, extension of permanent residency. Once approved, you can enjoy the permanent residency status for a period of 5 years from the date of landing in Canada. You can extend your permanent residency as long as you have spent at least 730 days, that is 2 years out of those 5 years physically in Canada. And these days need not to be in a single go. Now, you can even apply for Canadian citizenship. Yes, you can also hold a Canadian passport, but there are certain points to be noted for that. Most important of which is that you must have physically spent at least 1095 days, that is 3 years, in Canada. Another major advantage is that you can even sponsor your family members for Canadian permanent residency. Government allows you to sponsor your family members so that you can live with them here in Canada. You can sponsor your spouse, your children, your parents and grandparents. You can also sponsor your brother, sister, or even nephew, niece, or grandchildren whose parents are deceased, but they must be less than 18 years of age and unmarried. Moving on to another benefit, holding your PR card, you can enter and exit Canada without any worries of immigration, and as many times as you want. You would be asked to stand in the queue reserved for Canadian citizens and PR holders only. And as it is much shorter, it takes lesser time to pass the immigration officer. Now, another interesting benefit is about dual citizenship. After you get the Canadian citizenship, its government offers the dual citizenship. But unfortunately, Indian government doesn't allow this, so Indians can either be Canadian or remain Indian citizens. The next benefit is that if you want, you can do your own business or launch your own startup. It is not mandatory to work for any organization or only for that skill set that you applied for. Now, if you're a travel enthusiast, this benefit is a big news for you. If you hold a Canadian PR card, you can travel to countries like Bahamas, Costa Rica, etc. without even applying a visa. Now, not only the free education to kids, the government offers English and French classes to the immigrants, and even those are absolutely free. These language classes are taught by qualified teachers. Depending on your schedule, you can attend full or part-time weekdays or weekend classes, physically in classroom or even online classes. There are a few other benefits as well, but this was the list of 10 important benefits that you receive when you become a permanent resident of Canada. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video. You can also share your feedback or ask questions in the comment section below. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing.